rises from the ceiling at midnight? Lisa is panic-stricken, and Bart is scared out of his wits. To uncover the truth, the two take a camera to the attic, hoping to find the source of the eerie sounds.
Bart and I will explore the attic until we find their source. Must be the pipes. What do you think, Bart?
Sorry, I'm too scared. I need to leave. With Bart's departure, Lisa is left alone, but she still maintains a scientific attitude, believing there are no ghosts in the world. The next second, a sudden loud bang beside her ear makes her burst into tears. She throws down the camera and flees in terror.
Mom, Dad, there's a ghost in the house!
Good. Can you play with him for half an hour?
At the siblings' urgent request, Homer pauses his kiss with Marge, then grabs a flashlight to check the corners of the house. Just then, eerie noises return from the ceiling. Homer yells, "Even if you're a ghost, you can't live here without paying the mortgage." He ignites the flashlight and leads the family to the attic entrance. Braving the howling wind and creepy sounds, they climb up.